Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? Hope you all will be fine. Students, today is 2nd June 2021 and the day is Wednesday. Today we will discuss the second topic of the unit living things and the environment, and the name of the topic is about biotic and abiotic environment. Students, this topic is present on your book page number 31, lecture 2 of this chapter. Learning objectives. Describe the relationship between biotic and abiotic components of the environment. Diagnostic assessment. Students, what you know first about this topic, what makes a community, what is biotic components, do you know, students? If you know, then you can tell me. Understanding. First of all, we will discuss what is biotic environment. Students, basically, if you observe, if you look in your surrounding, all living part of the environment is called biotic environment. Just like tree, grass, birds, insects, spider and the people. And on the other side, abiotic environment, the non-living part of the environment is called abiotic or physical environment. Example, soil, water, air, temperature and the sunlight. These are non-living part of the environment, so they are called abiotic environment. The other name is physical environment. Students, keep it in mind. The other name of abiotic environment is the physical environment. Next, you can see in the diagram, biotic environment includes plants, animals, protists, fungus, bacteria, and the abiotic environment includes water, soil, air, light, and the minerals. Next topic is about community. What is community? Students, when all plants, animals living in one place, then they make community. Example, park. In park, you can see a lot of people, animals, plants, they all make the community. On the other side is ecosystem. Ecosystem, students, the interaction between the animals and their environment is known as ecosystem. When you people live in the environment, you can observe that you take oxygen from the environment, you release carbon dioxide in the environment. So this is an interaction. This interaction is called ecosystem. A community of plant and animals and the physical and non-living environment make up ecosystem. Example, deserts and rainforest. Students, this is a community. You can see here in the community, plants, animals, all are included. And the ecosystem, you can see fish live in the water. They can take oxygen from the water. They swim in the water. It means they have interaction with their environment. So this is our ecosystem. Keep it in mind, ecosystem interaction between the organisms and their environment. What they take, what they release. And the community is a combination of all plants and animals. So students, this is all about our today's lecture. You have to learn some question answer about this topic. The first, question number 1, fill in the blanks. Question 2, some questions, students. These questions you have to write on your notebook. Keep it in mind. You have write all the question answer on your notebook. It will be checked when you come in school. So students, this is all about our today's lecture. Learn it and write on your notebooks. Thank you.